The idea of college and choosing a career can be overwhelming for many students. So at MiraCosta, we help students explore our programs and the career opportunities early on through campus visits, hands-on workshops, industry tours, and alumni panels. Advanced manufacturing is one of our region's high-growth and high-pay sectors. We partner with companies like C-Spine and Thermo Fisher to bring local high school students to their businesses and our campus so they can see the connection between classroom and career.
When a high school student comes to campus, they get to meet the instructors, they get to see other students, and they get to see the high-tech technology that we have right here at MiraCosta College. Then when they take a tour in industry, they feel much more comfortable that they're developing the skills that are needed by companies in the community.
The tour that we had today involves a manufacturing tour where the students can see how our manufacturing departments are making our products. What we want to get out of this event is we want them to really learn what it is to work in the biotech industry, whether it's in the manufacturing department or any other department. We hope that they can get away with being excited about coming into this industry and learning how they can contribute to the success of this company.
C-Spine partners with surgeons to develop, engineer, design spinal implants and biologics to be used in any application within any spine surgery. A lot of people don't understand what goes into these surgeries and what our companies do and what the end result is and how much goes into this. The different departments from engineering to medical education to legal, quality assurance, everything. There's so many different pieces that go into this. So for these kids to know early on that there's a broad range of directions they could take this career is key.
It's important for our chemistry students to see a tour like this because I think it creates in them a little bit of a picture in their mind that the stuff we're teaching them is really what happens in the real world, and that they're hearing things like what the lab equipment is, they're seeing the lab equipment, they're seeing the process of science in creating a product. It was good to see, I think, the manufacturing side of chemistry.
My thoughts on the tour was that I had a lot of fun. I got to know a lot about the careers that you can do here, the potential careers, and I'm very interested in the business aspect of this place. I really enjoyed seeing that they used robots for helping them do some of their work. I thought that was very cool.
It was the first time that I was exposed to anything like scientific, like labs and stuff, like in a professional realm. I thought it was very interesting seeing the different parts of a lab in itself. It was interesting seeing the tour guide, she was very passionate about it.
So being able to reach out to people starting out in their career and look back at where I was at that time and being able to relate to people at that point in their development is really crucial, and it really helps me kind of take a step back to what I really love about this industry and what got me into biotech in the beginning, and kind of helps me refocus for where I want to go in the future.
My job is Industry and Education Outreach Manager. So we bring scientists into the classroom, we bring students to companies, we put together career panels, and then we work with community colleges as well to make those connections. Well, I think it's really important to develop the workforce of the future. Life sciences companies are developing new technologies and great things all the time, and we need to get that pipeline of students into life sciences companies and sort of bridge the gap.